Hi everyone, it's Gina. Welcome to my channel. I am going to do some art journaling today, and if you're one of my paper crafter subscribers, please hang in there. I would really appreciate it if you'd give these videos a chance and just see. Sometimes you'll find techniques used you can apply in your paper crafting. One little quick note. My husband and I are in the process of selling this house and buying another one. And if you've ever done those two things at the same time, I know you feel my pain. So we have been filling up boxes and loading them into a pod all weekend, and we are both exhausted. So he's gone to his corner and I've gone to mine for a little bit of downtime, and I wanted to do something creative. As tired as I am, just a free expression is about all I can muster, so art journaling it is. Today, I am going to use something a little different. I pulled out some makeup, and way back in a previous life, like 30 years ago, I was a Mary Kay consultant, and I have still got lots of makeup. I was going through it when I was packing, and I grabbed some out, and I just wanted to play with them in my art. So I have some blush colors. These are some foundation colors, eyeshadows, little trial lip liners, and maybe some eyeliners, and some other non-Mary Kay items possibly. And these are some papers that I've made when I was first playing with these. I just wanted to see what I could do, and I laid some color down and grabbed a stencil, so I made this piece of paper. I was just continuing to play, and I grabbed this. I'm not sure if I'll use it. Just a piece where I was inking a new stamp and getting it nice and inky. So just some papers. I have some masking tape, stamp, sponges, since I'm going to be using makeup. I already prepared my surface with some transparent gesso. And I'm just gonna have some fun. I will speed up the video and I'll come back and talk to you in the end. All right, I'll see you then. a little pause in the action. I have to admit, I don't think I'm loving the big dark splatters from the stamp. I was enjoying it up until then. In my head, I thought it would look neat, but I don't like it. So what do? You just cover it up. So I'm going to try to cover it up with some makeup first, but if that doesn't do the trick, I might have to just glue a few more pieces of my paper and mask it up. So that's what I'm going to do now. I do love the splatters and I do love the stamping, and I may have to come back to those once I'm done covering these pieces up. But yeah, if you do something and you think, oh no, I just don't like that, and you can't really think of how to fix it, just cover it up and keep right on going. I have finished. And what do you think? I do like it better having covered up those big ink splotches. I did leave some of the second generation stamping that I did. I just covered up the very darkest stamps, and I like it a lot better. I added some blue. It's really dark. It's kind of hard to see, but it just gives it a different color. I just felt like it needed a little something else. I will give you a closer look. Little mushrooms up here. And, you know, this isn't super neat, but tell your story. That was what I was feeling tonight. And this is my story from packing and moving. Some of my joints ache in my hands, so my writing is especially bad this evening. But you know what? All of that is part of my story. It's part of my story at the time I created this journal page. So why feel bad about it? Do I wish it looked a little neater? Well, sure, but I wish my joints didn't hurt too. I mean, what do you do? And that's what art journaling is. Telling your story about where you are, how you feel at a certain moment in your life. I hope you enjoyed this page, and I hope you found it inspirational, and I hope it encouraged you to go and art journal. I just absolutely love it, and I know you will too. If you did find this video inspirational, please give me the thumbs up and leave a comment below. Did you like the splotches that I covered up, or are you glad I covered them up? Do you agree with my decision? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, well, that's going to do it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.